Welcome this video. Make the most of smart craft wood easy craft in the world of woodwork. Few things are some satisfying as transforming left out scrap of wood into something useful or beautiful. Smart scrap wood price often accumulate in workshop or every at home after long project, and while then made insignificant then hold income pots for craft and innovation. Whether you are seasoning woodwork or a innovative look to hold your skill, those projects often and fantastic opportunity to explore your craft while you watch explore the various of smart scrap wood project that are easy to test and imposing result. Introducing to craft scrap wood project woodwork earthing and hobbing like understand of various of every price of wood not matter how smart those projects not only provide an outing from creating but also survey proposed area the house for original space to enhance decor. Smart scrap wood project can be both functionally and aesthetic place. Benefit of smart craft wood project. Cost effects. Use scrap reading. They need of propping adding material. Skill development. Profession for how woodwork technician and experiment with design. Personalization. Customizable to fix personal style and preference. Smart scrap wood project. Key holder. Description. Create a posting and style. Keep hold use smart price of wood material need. Smart wood price hold wood studios. Cut wood price into sport shape and size. Sand element from a smoking finish. Mocks a warm need entrance. Phone stood. Description. Craft a functional phone stood for depth or bedside table. Material need. Wood price kilo stood. Cut wood price of displaying. Introduce conclusion. Explore smart craft wood project not only enhance your woodworks space skill but also promote sustainability and create whether you are make gift for love one of enhance your home decor those craft often endly possibility by proposing material that meet outweight go to wash and convenience to a more friendly